Hey guys, I'm finally back after a long, hard journey of dealing with COVID. I'm back in the store. We are killing orders. You guys have been contacting Shelly. She's been handling everything about our DTF process, direct to film transfers. You guys have really been coming out to support us, and we thank you. We have a huge order that we want to show you in this video. So I'm going to go ahead, head to the back. Shelly, she's already started. She's in fact, we're on our day off today. Today's Monday. We're off. You kind of hear me breathing heavy because I'm still dealing with COVID. I'm supposed to have oxygen, but that's a whole nother thing. So I'm going to jump in the back because we got a huge DTF order that we want to show you, but Shelly's got to make 2 hoodies using logos from a lady's DTF order. So let me go ahead and kind of walk you guys back and kind of show you what's going on. Shelly's got a bunch of orders. Look at all these DTF orders that, what's the name of this lady? Do you know her name?
Ooh.
The lady who ordered the graffiti.
Her name's Dolores.
Okay, so Miss Dolores, nice to, oh, Miss Dee Dee, we appreciate you. Good looking out, Miss Dee Dee. So Miss Dee Dee ordered all of this right here, but she's gonna have Shelly make 2 items here in our store, and then she's gonna make the rest of the items at her house? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, so.
Well, the story behind
hold on.
This is Green's Cut.
Hold on.
This is Green's Cuts. So the story behind Dee Dee, her and her girlfriend are barbers. So they are wanting to start their own clothing line and sell their own items. So they do have a heat press, so they do want to start pressing their own things. The reason why I'm making 2 hoodies for them is because she wants them to show up with the prints because it is a surprise for her girlfriend. Oh. So she wants to say, look at these dope hoodies, and I got all these prints so we can make 1 million dope hoodies. Oh. So that's what this is. So they picked these 2 to put on a hoodie for her and her girlfriend. And then these are, well, I think they're gonna make t-shirts because these are gonna go on the front of the t-shirt, and then these will go on the back.
And how many did she order, and about how much was it each?
She ordered 2 sheets at $25 each a sheet. And then she did pay her $10 per image to convert these into vector files. Because the image that she gave me, the quality was so very bad, very fuzzy, so we converted it into a vector file and got very clear images. You
know, we care about the customer, so my wife, we paid for that 3rd sheet. Mm-hmm. But she will actually receive it. She will actually have a bunch more to make new items, or say she messes something up, she'll have more things to make. Mm-hmm. So that's the process here at FCD Vinyl and Apparel. And you can just order just 1 sheet, like Supacolor and other places like that who do DTF transfers. You got to order like $75 worth of items. So it's very personal with us. It's very one-on-one. You're only going to talk to my wife. You're not even going to talk to me. You're only going to talk to Shelly through email, and she's going to discuss everything with you. Like she said, the lady's image was really bad, but she was able to up the quality. So even if you just, say you did want to use Supacolor, right? Say you did want to use Supacolor. Say you've been using Supacolor and you love their transfers for a long time, right? But say you need a vector file. Say you took a picture and it's like a really good picture, but you want to turn it into a t-shirt. Well, you can contact us through email, and for what? $20 or is it 10?
10 per file.
10 per file, so 10 bucks for conversion. So we can turn over to a vector file and send it right back to you, then you can send it to Supacolor. But I think once you use our transfers, you will definitely decide to come with us and get rid of Supacolor and stuff like that. So Shelly's about to go ahead and press. She actually printed up awesome new instructions. So here's that's too much light. So we got some nice dope instructions that Shelly just printed up, transfer instructions. So you guys will they receive this and everything? Oh yeah, that's right, duh. She made these so that you will receive these in all the packages. They need instructions.
Okay, I'm about to press.
Oh yeah, she's about to press. It's hard because it's a hoodie.
Yeah.
So what's cool, guys, is this stuff right here. Oh, that's my man Peter Tech. Peter, shout out to Peter Tech, best mechanic in Texas, hands down. He's an amazing mechanic. Him and I will be doing a lot of Carl's Garage videos. So we just made him some merch also. That stuff over there, that's just regular vinyl. But look at this Pokemon stuff. Gotta catch 'em all. gotta catch them. Look how many logos they got. Ooh, that looks good. I gotta get that peel.
This is, I don't want it to leave the
Oh yeah, you wanna move it?
thing greasy.
Put that there. Oh no, so you gotta peel it and press it cold and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, let me show you this Pokemon stuff, man. Look at that. Now, this person is making hats.
Yes.
She's making hats. Look how many hats she can make for 25 bucks for the sheet.
Well, I know this one is 56 of these. I didn't-
56, guys. Guys, I don't think you understand. I don't think you understand the opportunities that we provide here at FCD Vinyl and Apparel. 56. I don't want to pull this up, but this might not be 56, but look how many.
Yeah.
Like, look how much this is money that you make, not us. We're not charging you crazy. This is per sheet. That's what we charge you. This right here, at even 10 bucks a hat, that's...
Let me see what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35.
35. 35. Oh, that looks good. That looks so good.
This did come out good.
Yeah, they did. Just look at the quality of our transfers. Like, look at that. There she peels. Like, come on, guys.
So this color is gonna pop once we
Press it again.
do our second press. Ooh,
Come on.
Red ones. Okay. Oh, this is pretty.
That is dope. What does that say?
Greens cuts.
Oh, Greens cuts. Are they in Greens Point?
They're in California.
Oh. Oh my God, look at that. That is crazy.
It's so pretty.
Look at that. It's so pretty, man. Look at the...
I think this is the first one that had the most vibrant colors.
It is. You're right that
You
we've
know what I
done.
mean?
Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, look at that. Well, this is, yeah, that's close. Baby TV's
No,
close.
there's no color in there. It's
Yeah,
just,
true.
You know, this just has blues and greens and
Yeah, and it fades.
reds and
Look at that fade. And guys, this isn't coming off. Like, this stuff is indestructible. Better than vinyl, better than screen print. Screen print's gonna fade eventually. The colors of screen print's gonna fade, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff is crazy. Like I said, so we got what, 35 of these. And even at $10 a pop, even though she's doing hats more than 10 bucks. Look how much money that is that she's gonna make. And like I said, she can just do one, or she's got a huge order. She can do 10 sheets. Just keep pumping out the sheets, man. I'm telling you. Guys, FCD Vinyl and Apparel, you guys gotta get with our heat transfers, our flash custom heat transfers, guys. I'm telling you, this right here will change your life. If you ever wanted to start your own business and you got a difficult logo that's more difficult than vinyl, like you can't do it with vinyl, and think about this, with these transfers, you don't even have to get a Cricut machine or anything. You don't need anything. You don't need any setup. All you need is just a heat press. That's it. We are super excited that we got this huge order to go out. Now these, I'm gonna have a seat in the chair. These are just getting shipped. That's it. Shelly's done pressing. All we're gonna do here is ship these out. That's it. Order them, we ship them, that's it. You guys have awesome transfer. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. And then the next video is gonna be how to ship them out. Or not necessarily how, is it gonna be how to ship it out?
no, just ship, just a
What did you wanted to show them?
just a ship with me, ship
Ship
my
with
orders
me.
with me or something.
Yeah, that's the,
Pack my orders with me.
pack my orders with me. Yep. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Please listen, guys. FCD Vinyl and Apparel .com, FCD Vinyl and Apparel @gmail.com, and you can email us. Tell me it's going right to Chelly, or you can comment down below on this video. Guys, you gotta come get our heat transfers. We are going to take over the game. Supacolor, we're coming after you. We're gonna take over the game, guys. I'm telling you, please hit us down below. Check out this video. I'm back. I'm going harder than ever. Guys, please check us out. Get your heat transfers with us. You don't want to get them with anybody else. We got the best quality. We got the best prices. We are here. We're going to help you grow your own business. We're going to help you guys out there grow your own shirt business, hat business, whatever you want, custom merch business. We got you guys. All right. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video so that you guys can ship with Shelly and she can kind of show you guys some tricks, because you want to know this. If you're at home doing this, you want to know how to ship and stuff like that. So, and Shelly has all the answers. All right, guys, you know my slogan, be basic. Peace.